Asparagus, scallion, and boiled egg salad. Simple, delicious, could be a whole meal or could be an appetizer and great on a buffet table. So some great asparagus. The size really doesn't matter because you cook it according to size. So let's cut off the tough bottom part and just peel this skin, which sometimes can be a little hard. Okay. Let's put it right in the boiling water. Scallions, just clean them. I think this is a little. Put that right in, let it boil together. Have an ice bath. We'll just fish them out, put them right in here, let them cool, peel the eggs, and then we'll just toss it with vinegar and oil. Grandma, 95, you all love her, and she loves her garden. She imparted that passion to me, and that's one of the things that we do together, that it's really a lot of fun, the planning, the getting of the seeds, of the little plants, of the seedlings in the springtime. And then you have this beautiful patch of land, and it's not a big patch, but this patch of land that gives you all kinds of gifts during the summer. And just love going in there and just picking. And through the whole summer, I never buy any vegetables. That's enough to supply the whole family and Tanya's family and Joe's family when they come around with vegetables. Let's check on the asparagus. Yes, just like this, when they kind of just fall a little bit to the side, they're done. Let's put them in the ice water, just like that. Okay. We'll let them chill until they're cold, and then we'll make the salad. So the asparagus are cold and nice and dry. The scallions as well. Let's make the salad. Let's cut them in pieces like that. A little bit of salt, a little bit of vinegar, a bit of olive oil, a little fresh pepper, and let's just toss it like that. And now we'll throw in the eggs. In quarters is nice. That looks nice. You see? Simple, refreshing. You can make it a little juicier, a little more dressing, but it's a great appetizer, great for buffets. So, let's taste. Refreshing, good, simple, delicioso.